Taste the temperature. Describing food and drinks in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a very specific but important part of English language learning. This is especially vital if you're a foodie or love trying out different cuisines. We're talking about adjectives for temperature. You will use these words when ordering food, discussing what you're eating, or even while cooking. So let's get started. Temperature words, as we will call them, are used to describe the warmth or coolness of food and drinks. They are essential to communicate how you want your food or drink prepared or served. For example, you might want your coffee hot, your soda cold, or your steak medium rare. The interesting part is, we often use these temperature words metaphorically as well, to describe flavors, spiciness, or freshness. But we'll get to that later. Let's start with the basics. The most straightforward words we use to describe the temperature of food or drinks are hot and cold. Hot, used for items that are served warm or at a high temperature. For instance, I would like a hot cup of coffee, please. Cold, used for items that are served chilled or at a low temperature. For example, could I have a cold glass of lemonade? Once you're comfortable with hot and cold, there are several other words you can use. Warm. This means somewhat hot but not too hot. You might use this for a soup that's just right for eating or a coffee that isn't too hot to drink. Cool. This means somewhat cold but not very cold. It's a nice word for a room temperature drink or a slightly chilled dessert. Chilled. Chilled food or drinks are cold, usually because they have been in the refrigerator. Could I have a chilled glass of white wine, please? When ordering certain dishes like steak or eggs, you might need to describe how well cooked or heated you want your food to be. Here are some common terms. Raw, uncooked or not heated. Rare, cooked lightly, mostly red in the middle for meats. Medium rare, medium, medium well. Terms used mostly for steak to indicate the level of cooking, from a warm red center to slightly pink. Well done, fully cooked through, no red or pink left in meats. Over easy, over medium, over hard. These terms are often used for cooking eggs to indicate the doneness of the yolk. And that's it. Those are some of the most common adjectives for temperature you might use while ordering food or describing what you're eating. Remember, the more precise you can be with your language, the more likely you are to get exactly what you want. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy dining, and we'll see you in the next lesson.